welcome back to my vlog. This is the 11th episode. In this episode, I'm going to share with you two things. One, I finally got a microphone for my vlogging. So I hope the next time around when I do my recording with my phone, the sound quality will be so much better. And the next one, SD card. As you know, in the previous episode, I killed my SD card. So this time around, the new one arrived. It's called Extreme. Okay, in other words, it's very powerful. Extreme Micro SD XC UHSI card with adapter. The right card for your action camera or drone. Oh, right. I hope I won't kill it this time. Great, I've inserted the SD card to my phone and no problem for now. Can use it as usual. Just don't know how long before I kill it again. I hope not. Next, remember the external microphone. Alright, so this is what happened. I plug in the external microphone to my Huawei phone. Guess what? It's not working. It was picking up my voice or even any sound with the internal microphone instead of the external microphone. So I thought maybe there's problem with this microphone. Apparently it's not, because it's working without any problem on other devices. So I did a Google search. Guess what? It's a common problem with Huawei phones. Any Huawei phones, even with P20 or P10. Mine is just Huawei Nova 2 Lite. Basically, the phone doesn't recognize external microphone unless you install a third-party app to activate the external microphone. Otherwise, you won't be able to use it. So anyway, I hope you find this video useful. I hope it is useful. And enough of my ranting. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook at lovebellbell. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, see you and take care.